Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and it is Monday morning on my way to work. And I used to vlog in the mornings all the time, and now I can do it again, and I'm kind of excited. Although I am leaving much later than I have been, so I mean it's 6:30, so it's bright out, but I can't guarantee it will be this bright out every morning when I leave right now. But it's kind of exciting that I can do my vlog. Yay. It's a little chilly. It's 52, it says in the thing. I'm going to turn on the heat a little bit because I'm a little chilly. I have on a dress, which is crazy. I hardly ever wear dresses. I don't really know why. It's just not maybe my style. I don't know, but I found these dresses on Amazon and I really like them. So I got two. I have this one, and then I have one that has a black base instead of a navy base. So yeah, but I got them in sizes smaller than I usually was able to wear, and I can wear them, so I am excited. So I thought I'd start the week off wearing a dress. I was gonna wear it to church yesterday, but we ended up not going because my husband was, he stayed up almost all night working on a project, and then he went to sleep and wasn't awake in time for us to get to church. So, you know, things like that happen sometimes. I know that's not great, but so I didn't wear it to church, is what my point is. So I thought, well, I'm gonna wear it today because I wanted to wear it. Speaking of husbands, he also washed my car yesterday. That was nice. So I hope that you guys have been good. I hope that this starts off your week well. I hope that you have a fantastic week and that things go well for you. I'm hoping that for all of us. I have kind of a busy week if I remember right. Not each day is busy, but I have like stuff that I don't usually have every day, something every day. Like we're doing interviews and stuff like that, so I know I have an interview today. I think I have one tomorrow. There may even be one on Thursday. I have one open position that I'm trying to hire for. And what else do I know? I have not been filming a lot of like craft videos, only because I haven't been making a ton of things like I usually do. I don't know, I haven't been in my studio as often as I had been. I guess it ebbs and flows, and 'tis the season of the year, you know. It's getting warmer out and starting to be spring and feeling like spring. It is spring, but it's starting to feel like spring, so I guess I'm spending more time doing some other things. I do have a project I'm going to be working on here, maybe tonight, that I'm hoping to film. And I don't have any cards that I'm in the mood to make right now, so I don't know when. I'd like to do another I like the one sheet wonders, and I really like to do the kit, like what are you gonna do with this kit kind of videos, so I might do some more of those coming up. I don't know, it's just ever changing, I guess, whatever I feel like. And I'm hoping to be able to see my friend Tracy sometime soon. I am missing her face. I'd like to see her. Katie is doing well, David's doing well, Alex is doing well, Aaron's doing well. They only have 15 days. Well, after today, it'll be 14 days left of school, which is crazy. of high school. Oh my goodness. The time really does fly, guys. I was thinking about that yesterday, and I know that people tell you that all the time, and when you have kids, it does fly. But man, it flies so fast. I miss my little babies. I mean, I'm happy that they're happy, and I'm happy that they're good, and you know, that they are where they need to be and what they need to do. It's just crazy how quickly it happens. And high school flies by. And Katie's already going to be a junior in college. Oh. It is really crazy how fast it all goes. Makes me a little melancholy, but it's okay. It's just life. It's crazy. So I'm trying to spoil my son and spend as much time with him as he'll let me. Yesterday we had a really good talk. We ate dinner, and then I made a pot roast. That was nice. And homemade bread. Oh, I even had a piece. I could not help it. I wasn't going to, but it looked really good. It was so soft and moist, and oh, it was perfect. So I had a thin piece, but I still participated, and I probably should not have, but oh well, you know, pick your battles, I guess, and pick your food. I only had one. I was able to stop. It wasn't like I got all crazy or anything. So after we had our dinner, we sat there and talked for a long time about life and what he wants to do, and college, and even debt and things like that. So it was a good conversation. But he has a good head on his shoulders, so I am happy for him. I really had the feeling last night that he's going to be okay. You know how you just want your kids to just be okay? And I had that feeling yesterday that he's going to be okay. And I know Katie's going to be okay, so that was really good feelings. And then Katie called last night because her finals start next week, and Mother's Day is Sunday, and she sings with the gospel choir at her school, and they perform on Mother's Day evening. So she wants us to come to the performance, which of course we're going to, and she said that, you know, we could maybe all go to dinner or something. And so then I called her to see if she wanted us to come on Saturday and spend the night up there so that we could have all day Sunday. And she said, well, Mom, really I have finals that week, so it's really not a great week for that. I mean, which means she'll be home the next weekend, so it's not that huge, you know, it's okay. So yeah, I think I'll just go on Sunday evening, or not me, I think we will just go Sunday evening, go out to dinner, and then see the performance, and then of course head back home afterward. So it'll be fun. Goodness, excuse me. I think it's going to be a good week. I know it's going to be a good week. I'm just going to declare it. There we go. Even though I'm getting a little later start than usual, it's okay. I like to be in the office really early, but you know, I'll be there before 7, which is still pretty early, but I really like to be there around 6, but that's okay. There's a billboard for Qdoba Catering, which is exactly what Alex wants for graduation, and his dad is doing that, so that's what he's having for graduation. I guess I should say it that way. Well, I'm kind of thinking of things to say, and I don't know what else to say. I haven't started my garden yet. I need to get the ground flat before I can start it. So I haven't even really talked to Dennis about it, but he needs to do that for me. So I need him to flatten that ground so that I can put my boards up and start planting. I'm hoping to do that next weekend. We shall see. But I'd like to start my garden. I did plan out like what plants I want to do, and I can actually plant a lot more than I expected I could, so that's kind of cool. I didn't realize how much food I would be providing, but I think it'll be great if it works out and all of this really works. We'll be good. It's great. I have a couple things of corn and lots of tomatoes and peppers and onions and some herbs, some cucumbers, some marigolds because they're supposed to help fight off varmints. What else did I decide? Squash, zucchini. That might be about it, but yeah, it's more than I expected for sure. And my area is only 4 by 8, 8 by 4, whatever, however you want to say it. 4 feet, not inches, 4 feet wide by 8 feet long. So it's not a very big area, but I looked at like square foot planting and gardening, and I got all of my ideas and like learned how to, what plants next to what the best and things like that from that. So we shall see. I need to keep a running total of how much I'm spending on this, so then I know, would I spend this much on vegetables? Although next year it wouldn't be as much. I mean, once you buy it all and get it started, because this year I have to buy the soil and the wood, and I have to buy the plants, and I'm pretty sure you have to buy the plants every year. You have to reseed every year, so I'd have to buy the plants every year, but I don't think that is as expensive as, I don't know, we'll see, because if it ends up that I'm spending more on this than I would on vegetables, then it's really not worth it. But we shall see. So I'm almost at work, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope that you guys have a great Monday. I hope that I can post this today. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.